Hey, what's up, millionaire? So, what's the price prediction of Xrp? What's the next target of Xrp? And what's my opinion to this is selling time or buying time or holding time? Everything in this video about Xrp is going very important, my friends. Just 2 minute video. Keep watch this video. Don't skip any second of this video. Let's get started without any time waste, my brother. Please, if you are new on our channel, then please most welcome and subscribe our YouTube channel. Please click the red button. If you just click out, then thank you so much, my brother, my friend. Thank you so much for subscribing. My friends, come to the friend this time, come to the point. Okay, friend, first of all, if you can see here, this is the last 1 hour. In the last 1 hour, my friends, all crypto market very badly lost. But I can't believe it. How is it possible to Xrp this time change occur and positive plus 0.53% they gone up. Congratulations, my brother. At this time they gone up, then I think and the upcoming days they absolutely gone up. And our target, my friends, our target as $2 and this month, sorry, and this month our target as $2. This target as create especially Xrp or official page and on Twitter. You check out already. Okay, this time you can see here $1.28 as the latest price, my friend. Let's start the price prediction first of all. Okay, friend, our target as $2. I hope they can hit it just at the end of this month, my friend. But first of all, it's important to we do a prediction. Exactly, my friend. I know today falls down in the last 24 hours. Therefore, a lot of holders tell me to what we do: sell, hold, or buy. If you are my old viewer, then I already make a video for this but especially, but this is not this is the latest, my friend. Okay, this time come to the point. This time, if you can see here, I draw a two line, and this line tell us to they go on up in upcoming days or they falls down, my friends. If you can see here, this time they falls down, my friend, very badly falls down, my friend. If you can see here, this is the highest point, and the highest point is going to $1.44. You can see here, this time the price is also decreased very badly, my friend. Okay, this point you can see here, this is the line 1, and this is line 2, my friend. Okay, after a high jump they take a fails, they fails down, my friend. But after this fails they take again jump, my friends. You can see here, and after this jump they take again fails. You can see here they fails down, and after this fails they again take a jump, my friends. And after this they also, this is the circulation, my friend. You can see here, this is the circulation. If you can see here, when they touch the highest point, this here, then this time the price is $1.44. This time you can see here the price is $1.44. But if you can see here, this time when they touch the second highest point, this time the price is come to 140 to I think $139 is the price. But my friends, after they fails down again, and you can see here this point, you can see here after they fails down again, this time the price is 1.24. Oh my goodness, this is very badly fails down, my friend. But here you can see here the price is $1.32. So my friends, this is the circulation. If you can see here, this is the circulation. But everywhere and this time you can see here, this time these all were very badly falls down, my friend. If you can see here, they jump take, they also very badly, my friend. You can see here. So okay, when you can see here this point, if they move up, if they go up in this point, then exactly they are moving in upcoming days off. But I can't believe this too. How is it possible to an upcoming and those days exactly they especially very badly falls down, my friend. But the main reason is that to all capital market as very badly falls down in those days. So therefore I think they are also very badly falls down, my friend. Please wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. And this time you can see here they change occur minus 8.9 percent they gone down. So this is very bad reason for everyone. Understand understand my every Xrp holder. Please, a lot of holders do this mistake very highly. To they sell it when they fails down slowly, they sell it. This is I think very big mistake. If you can see here, this time the price come to $1.23, and this is very big change, my friend. This is very big change for everyone. But a lot of people cannot sell it also. In this time, this is I think a very intelligent man, and they cannot, if they cannot sell it, I hope in upcoming days my expectation is very good from Xrp. I remember my every viewers, please Please don't sell any time when they fails down or when they gone up, but wait just for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit, my friends, at the end of this month. So everyone understand what I told you. My opinion is that to don't sell it. Please, what's your opinion? Please tell me in a comment box. If you can see here in the last 1 month, they gone very fastly up. You can see here this time the change occur 143.35 percent they gone up. Congratulations, my brother. You can see here they gone very straightly up, but you can see here and these days they are very badly, but all crypto market is very badly down, my friend, and those days exactly April 15 to, you can see here April 15 is the highest point, you can see here, but after April to 20, today is the 20, they are very badly falls down. So my brother, please remember to, this is not a selling time. I hope after a fails they take a very high jump. So remember the good time is coming soon. Please hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel. Hope you understand, hope you learn something new. Allah Hafiz, take care.